It was a challenge fitting for a chief. Te Ihu Takiwā manager Matiu Payne formally welcomed to the Tāmaki Makaurau site by 3 kaiwero. Matiu, surrounded by whānau from his iwi, kaitahu, Ngāti Mutunga, Ngāti Kinohaku and friends, says he's excited about his new role.
I'm really looking forward to getting my feet under the table here at Tāmaki campus and working with our whānau from Tāmaki and Te Tai Tokerau and getting to know them on a personal basis. Very humbling experience to be a part of the whānau here and to be chosen to lead alongside the many, many people who have given so much to our kaupapa.
Te Tai Uringi Jim Mather said Matiu's appointment was significant and the first of 3 new Takiwā appointments as phase 2 of Te Rau Mairanga that saw the merger of 6 rohe to 3 Takiwā.
This is a very critical appointment for Te Wānanga Aotearoa. Matiu is leading the largest campus within our organisation, the largest Takiwā in terms of the number of full-time equivalent students, and so it's important that we selected the leader that could manage that scale, but also understand that he had to set out a very clear plan, communicate that plan to the people here and take them on this important journey with him.
Humbled by the warmth of the Pōwhiri and the support of his whānau, Matiu says he's committed to lead the way at Te Ihu.
Te Ihu, which is our Takiwā, we are at the prow of the canoe. We have the ability to lead Te Wānanga Aotearoa through the oceans, through the tides, anything that comes our way, and alongside our other Takiwā of Te Wainga and Te Kei, working together with the spirit of kotahitanga and making sure that our waka moves in the right direction.
We look forward to watching Matiu's progress at Te Ihu after 5 years of working as Regional Operations Manager in Tainui. Te Anganathan, Te Wānanga o Aotearoa.